So this week's video is going to be a catch-up video. It's a what have we been doing this month. So I'm going to go through my projects that I've got on the go, and then at the end of the year we can go back and see how many of them I actually finished. So what we're going to do, we start off first with non-crochet stuff, so we get the non-crochet stuff out of the way. This one you may have seen on my socials. This is almost finished, it's pretty much finished. It's this embroidery. This was a gift for Christmas, I think, from my sister. So I'm pretty sure she got it from Battle Abbey. We're not too far from Battle, so that's probably where she got it from. It is now all finished, it's all been embroidered. I'm thinking I might go in and do some touch-up bits here. And I've also got to, I looked at a video the other day actually to get an idea of what to do with this now. And I'm going to finish this off, and I will probably put it up on the wall behind me along with my next one. This is a punch needle kit that I started. I recorded a video on this and I had a terrible time whilst doing that video. It wouldn't work at all. I ended up unravelling the whole thing, trying it again. Still didn't work for me. So I ended up unravelling it a second time, and I did it, sat down, relaxed, comfortable on the sofa with nothing around, and I actually managed to get it to work. It's still not perfect. There's still some areas where I could have done better. But what I'm actually decided to do, I'm going to carry on doing the rest of the project, and I'm going to kind of do it in this direction so you can see if I get any better as I progress through the pattern. So next one I'm going to do is going to be this, then the next one will be these, and I'm going to progress that way and just see if I get any better the further I go. If I do, I will then take this out and redo it. So I haven't finished this bit off. So that is my second project of April, which will of course go into May. Now we can have a look at the crochet projects. This one is a finished project, and I will probably be doing a video on this fairly shortly because I just think they're so cute. These are, see if I can get it all on camera. I can't really get it all on camera. Little cute bears with love heart feet, with a little love heart cushion which comes with. Very cute little bear. It's not so little to be honest with you, but I do love him. And like I say, I am thinking about making a video on this because I love this pattern. It's so easy and I think more people should know about it. So I will probably do a pattern video fairly shortly talking about my favourite patterns, and I think this one will be in it. This next project is part of an ongoing project. I've got a few of these to make. This one isn't completely finished yet, but is on its way to being finished. And of course, it's a little Loki. This is President Loki. Still a little bit of work to do on this one. I need to finish the horns. I'm actually thinking about taking this off and redoing it because it's not quite centred, and I need to figure out how to do the horns as well. So this is a work in progress still, but it's definitely getting there. This is a blanket that I'm currently working on. It's going to be called Northern Lights when I finish it. I'll just get that ball yarn out of the way so it doesn't fall everywhere. Which side shall I show you? Shall we try to show you the right side? There we go, there's the right side of work. This is inspired by a patchwork quilt blanket that I have seen. So this is a pattern that I'm working on. I am also writing this up. This will be in Etsy once I have finished it. So the pattern will be available on my Etsy store once it is done. It is, like I say, it's still a work in progress. This is the white version, but I'm also going to be doing a black version as well. There's a cushion just over off camera which you can't see that I'm thinking about recovering, and I think it would look quite good on that, with this being in the black as well as, yeah, I quite like the idea of that, so I'm going to be doing a black version of that as well. So one other project that I'm currently working on, excuse the mess behind me, that's everything that I had to take off my desk. So my last project that I am working on, and this is the one that is taking up all of my time at the moment, it's a jumper. Well, it's going to be a jumper. At the moment it's just in bits. So this is the bit that I'm currently working on. Let's move that out of the way. It's going to be a 1940s style, the best I can manage 1940s style. I have been looking everywhere for a 1940s crochet jumper, and I just can't seem to find any patterns for them. Every time I go to craft fairs, every time I go to antique shops, I always look at the crochet patterns, and I can never seem to find anything 1940s. Yes, I've done a Google search as well, and I can't seem to find anything on there. So I'm trying to make my own. Not being a clothes designer, this has been a labour of love, for want of a better word. So there's the other section of it. So I'm hoping that these two sections will go together. So the reason I'm making this is that I'm hoping to be going to an event, and it's going to be a bit of a dress-up event, so I thought I'd see about making my own outfit for that event. That hasn't quite worked. I was originally going to be making a whole outfit. I've had to buy some of the outfit because my skills aren't that good. So I thought I'd give this one a go. Hopefully this one will work out. And I'll be honest with you, because the deadline is coming up for the event, I'm actually putting in quite a lot of effort into this blanket, into this top. So everything else is pretty much on hold until I can get this finished, because the event's coming up quite quickly. So I will be updating. Any finished products will be going up on my social media, so keep an eye out on there for anything if you want to keep up to date with what I'm working on. And meanwhile, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.